We're doing things a little bit differently today. Hello and welcome to this video. This is a bit different today. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing, unpackaging video. Now I've never done one of these videos before, and so we'll see how this goes. It is currently mid-July, and for us here in Melbourne it means that spring is just around the corner, and so in preparation I have gotten a packet of seeds. I plan on growing vegetables this summer, and so I have gotten myself organised and have gotten them sent to me already. This is a packet of potential, of possibility. In here contain many seeds which will grow many different plants. Let's have a look, shall we? So this is come from the Seed Collection. Now if you're in Australia, you can use these guys. These guys are based in Ferntree Gully in Victoria, which is not too far from where I live, and they are a seed retailer. This is not a paid promotion. I just really like them, and so let's see what is in the package. I've just opened it up now, and it looks like I've cut through a piece of paper, so that's always good. So it seems that I've cut through my tax invoice, which is fine. We'll pull that all out. Ooh, seeds are already falling out of the packet. We'll get to that in a sec. Okay, so here we have just the paperwork. I've kind of cut that in half, and that's fine. On the other side of the receipt, we've got some instructions on how to plant our seeds out, what they'd like, and how we should do it. So that's pretty cool to have. We'll set that to one side there, and now let's see what we got. So it comes packaged in this nice protective foam. We've got here a little thank you, which is lovely. We've got a little business card. They have a Facebook page, you can check that out. And a link to their website on there, web address. I'll pop that in the description below if you want to check these guys out if you're in the area. And now let's take a look at what we are going to be growing this summer. Now first off, we have got this Albert strain of broccoli. As you can see, we've just got some little black seeds, and they will grow into broccoli. That'll be great. We eat a lot of broccoli in our house, so that'll be good to go. We've also got some cucumbers. As you can see, some cucumber seeds there. I'm going to try and grow this on a trellis. So we're going to see how that goes. These little black seeds here, this is actually asparagus. This is the Mary Washington variety. Now I don't expect to be harvesting much asparagus in the next few years. It takes a while for them to get established, but then they will grow for the 20 years or so. Now we're renting here, so I'm not going to be putting this in the ground. I'm going to be trying this in a container, and we're just going to see how this goes. But we will start those this year. Next we've got these small seeds. This is a Black Beauty eggplant. So that's going to be great to grow. Now these are some of the things that I'm excited by. Now there's not many of these seeds here. I've only got about 10 of these seeds, but this is a Moon and Stars strain of watermelon. So I'm also going to attempt to grow this on a trellis. I'm going to have to do some construction and get some slings, because these guys are going to grow to about 9 kilos. And I'll be sowing these directly into the ground. I need to start those early. To accompany the Moon and Stars watermelon, we've also got a Jubilee watermelon. We've got 15 seeds in here, thereabouts, nice and big. And I'm going to try and do this one on trellis as well. These boys can grow up to 18 kilograms, so that's going to be great. Going to have lots of juicy, lovely watermelon there. Fantastic. Here we have got some snow pea seeds. Now, nice big white seeds. These are, of course, what comes out of the snow pea. If you leave it on the vine, it turns into seeds. And these are mammoth melting, so that's going to be great. This is a later one. This is getting ready kind of for next winter. I'll be sowing these late in the summer. And as you can see, we've got some corn there. This is Golden Bantam sweet corn. These boys grow up to about 150 centimeters. That'll be great to pop into the ground there. Over here, we have got a baby blue pumpkin, and I'm going to try this as well. Just like the watermelons, I'm going to put this on a trellis. So once I build the trellis, we'll be putting them in slings so that they don't break the plant, which is going to be great. These are fairly small pumpkins. These only grow to about 2 kilograms, so that's going to be great. Now these are not for us necessarily. This is cat grass. This is for the cat. And also for the cat, this is catnip. I plan to grow these in a container as well, to make a little cat garden, which I can bring inside if I want to. Okay, and now we have another envelope here. This is the tomato collection. We've got 5 packets of tomato seeds in here, and this is fantastic. So we've got Jubilee Yellow, an Evergreen Tommy Toe, Black Crim, and an Australian Red. So we've got a variety of tomatoes here, and these are some of the ones that I'll be starting in the next week or so in the greenhouse, so that I can plant plants that are established, ready to go as soon as winter ends and our last frost has happened. These are also all climbing tomatoes, as most tomatoes are, and so I will be having to work out some kind of a trellis or staking them. Not really sure yet. We'll see how we go. I go in there. I'm just opening up the packet now, and we've got just these 5 packets of seeds again. So how delightful is that? And that is my seed order. So as you can see, we have got a range of different seeds for many different plants, which we're going to grow this summer. Now the seed collection, I really like using these guys because they are really affordable. And I'll remind you, this is not a paid sponsor. I just really like them. So none of these packets of seeds cost me more than $2 Australian. Most of them are around the $1 mark, which is fantastic for me because it allows me to spend more money on building up my soil and building trellises. And that is that. Now, this is a different video than what I usually post on this channel, and I've got a couple of different ideas for some different things, and I want to know what you think. So please do put in the comments below if you would like to see a little bit more variety in the Scott Grows an Avocado Tree YouTube channel. Of course, the primary focus of the channel is going to be the avocado seed, which is doing marvelously. But I also want to throw in some spice here and there with some different videos. Got another couple in the works, so keep an eye out for those. I'm not going to show me growing all of these, but I am very excited to pop these into my garden this season. And that's all from me today. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Turn on the bell for notifications if you would like to. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you next time.